In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide a game on Steam quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you want to clean up your library, remove a game from view, or simply keep certain titles out of the way without uninstalling them. The best part is that it only takes a few clicks, and you can always bring the game back later if you change your mind. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Steam loads, look at the top menu and click on Library. This will take you to your full list of games where you can see everything you currently own or have installed. Now find the game you want to hide. You can scroll through your collection until you locate it, or use the search bar if your library is large. After you've found the game, right-click on it to open the options menu. From that menu, hover over or click on Manage. A new submenu will appear with several choices for controlling that game. Here, click on Hide this game. As soon as you select that option, Steam will remove the game from your main library view so it no longer appears in your regular list. This is great if you want a more organized library or just want certain games tucked away for later. If you ever want to find a hidden game again, you can usually locate it through your hidden game section in Steam and reverse the process when needed. So just to recap, open Steam, go to Library, right-click the game, choose Manage, and then click Hide this game. That's all there is to it. No downloads, no extra tools, and no complicated settings. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.